I'm in Ishmael, staying at the 4-star all-inclusive Elite World Marmaris Hotel. I'll show you my room, the food, the pool, and much, much more. Well, with this one, I've arrived very, very late or very, very early, whatever way you want to look at it. It's around about 1:30 in the morning. Check-in dead simple, passport, quick signature, already booked and paid online. Now, I'm up on the first floor in room 1013. I booked a superior room with 2 single beds. I like the look of it. Let's have a look around. I do like the look of this. Quite a large room. Right, I'll start at the door. You do need a key card to activate the electricity with this one. I'll do the ensuite in a second. This huge floor to ceiling mirror. They've left me some fruit, and I can see there, is that a couple of bottles of wine as well? Yes. Both the same red wine. Got your case stand. I like this little bit of a, I don't know what you call it, it's supposed to be a table. Good size flat screen TV, a couple of bottles of complimentary water, a selection of tea and coffees. There we go, some Yellow Label Lipton and some coffees there as well, Nescafe. Tiny little kettle, let's have a look at that. That looks absolutely fine. Now, I got told the minibar is free as well, so everything in the minibar is free. Got a couple of bottles of lager in there, some Coke, Sprite, some Fanta, and some more water down there. You got this good size double mirror fronted wardrobe, basically floor to ceiling. Now, I did get told that the safe is free as well, so I gather it's in here, yes. Some storage space at the top, some hangers, more storage space. You do have your laundry bag there. Some slippers down here, got a shoe horn, I haven't seen one of them for years. As I said, the safe is free, and some drawer space down here as well. There's nothing in them. No, nothing in them. With the bed, you've got a couple of bedside tables. You do have your down lights and you do have your reading lights either side, and a couple of power points either side as well. Now, with the beds, I think I will sleep in this one. Do we have pillow protector? Yes, we do. We've got this sort of top throw as well. And then do we have, I'm trying to work out how this is done. Oh no, that's your top cover. That's the top cover there as well. That's quite nice and clean. This is your bottom sheet. That looks nice and clean as well. And do we have a mattress protector? Yes, we do have. You can't really tell in this light, but that looks fine to me as well. There's a little bit of a mark there. Yeah, that looks fine. Trying to work out, so that is your top sheet. That is your top sheet there. That's quite bright. A little bit tight. The shower unit is right behind the door. That's quite nice. Yes, I do like that. So you got your sink, we've got a shaving mirror, you do have the mirror there as well. We have got some hand wash. And what's that? What is that? Oh, it's a light. Some cotton pads, a shower cap, I'll need that in case I get my hair wet. Cotton buds, and I don't know what that is. What's that? Oh, a nail file. Some towels there. Check this toilet. Yes, that's fine. Just noticed there's a couple of drawers down here. Don't know what's in these. Oh, just extra toilet rolls in this one. Oh, and the hairdryer in that one. Behind the door is your walk-in shower cubicle. Now I'm just looking at that. That is a very good size. That is huge. More towels up there. That is a good size shower cubicle. Got a safety emergency pull cord there as well. Shower gel, shampoo and conditioner. And you do have the rain head and the handheld there as well. Now obviously it's around about 20 to 2 in the morning now. I'm not going to really be able to show you anything off the balcony. I might be doing this review of the room very fast, but I need to get to sleep. I am tired. It's been a long travel day. So I'm going to love you, leave you, and I'll show you the rest of the hotel in the morning. Good morning. Let me show you what the room looks like in the daylight. It's very overcast this morning, so you can get a better look at it during the daytime. Now regarding the view off the balcony, I haven't really got a very good view from the looks of it. I couldn't really see last night when I arrived. Not a bad sized balcony, it's a bit tight. A couple of chairs and your table. But that is the actual view. So the pool is just round that area, round there, and the bar is just there. So I'm overlooking the seating area off the restaurant. So it's not really a very good view. Let's check out the rest of the hotel. The food you can see in the footage was shot over a 2-night period, and the second night was a Chinese themed night, and I have to say the food was very tasty. So what do I think of my stay here at the 4-star Elite World Marmaris Hotel here in Ishmael? Where do I start? I can't fault this hotel. I've really enjoyed it. I've stayed here for 2 nights because the first night was my travel night, and I basically lost the first day, and I thought I'm not getting into my hotel early hours of the morning and having to get up and check out. So this is the second day that I've stayed here. I love it. The staff are the friendliest staff I've ever met. They go out the way to help you. The room itself, it's classed as a superior room, room 1013. The bed, first night I was tossing and turning, but I think that was because I was the adrenaline was flowing. It was a travel day. I'd had so much travel and getting to the place that I just couldn't get a sleep. Plus the fact the receptionist made me a coffee. There is a 24-hour coffee bar open in the hotel, and he made me a coffee, and whoa, it was rocket fuel, and I think basically it's probably kept me awake all night long. But last night, really good night's sleep. Shower, it's one of them really, it batters you. It's a really good shower. TV, only news channels, that's the problem with it. Now the internet, while you're staying in the hotel, it's absolutely fine, but the moment you drift towards the pool or the outside bar, then it sort of drops a bit, so it's hit and miss with the internet. Food, now I've really enjoyed the food. Last night was a Chinese night, and the steak, or the strips of steak in the garlic, it was beautiful. Can't fault the food. Everything about this hotel I love. But what you need to know is that, and the location. You walk out the door there and it's literally on the beach. The hotel is on the beach. It's the far end of the bay, towards the far end of the bay of Ishmael. But what you really need to know is how much I paid for the 1 night. As I say, I stayed here 2 nights, but I'm going to give you the price per night it would cost to stay at this hotel. Now you've got to remember, single occupancy again, so you do get penalised as usual. So for 1 night in this superior room, all inclusive, that's all your food, your drinks, your snacks, and even that 24-hour coffee shop that has cakes and pastries and all your cold drinks, it's all included in the same package. So for the 1 night for a sole traveller in this room cost £89. Now here we go again. You get penalised because for 2 people staying in this room per night, all inclusive, is only £95. So it's only £6 extra for another person to stay in this room, all inclusive. There you go. So I'm moving on to another hotel. As I say, this is a series of 6 hotels, all inclusive. All of them are all going to be all inclusive. And I've just had a little look on the map to find out where my next hotel is. And believe it or not, it's only sort of next door. So I haven't got far to go. If you want to know what that hotel is, you'll have to watch the next video. But first of all, don't forget to give this one a thumbs up, a like, a share, hit that notification bell, and don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you at that next hotel. Thanks for watching. And bye for now.